If you're considering buying from books2door, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before making your purchase, especially when comparing it to other book retailers. Stick around to the end, because some of these tips could save you time and money on your next book haul. First off, let's talk about selection. Books2door offers an impressive range of books, from children's stories to adult fiction, educational books, and more. But here's the catch. While they do offer some of the best prices around, their selection may not always be as vast as bigger retailers like Amazon or Waterstones. You can find excellent deals, but you might need to wait longer for certain niche titles to restock. Next thing to consider, pricing. One of the most appealing features of books2door is its competitive pricing. Whether you're purchasing popular titles or something a bit more obscure, the prices tend to be significantly lower than many competitors like Book Depository or even your local bookstore. They offer discounts, bundles, and promotions that make it incredibly affordable to build your book collection. However, if you're not careful, the shipping costs can add up, especially for international orders, so make sure to account for that before you hit checkout. The third thing to know is about shipping times. Books2door offers free UK delivery on orders over a certain amount, which is a great perk. But compared to larger online retailers, the shipping can take a bit longer. If you're ordering from outside the UK, you'll notice even longer delivery times. So, if you're in a rush or need something quickly, it might be worth considering alternatives that offer faster shipping options like Amazon Prime. Now, let's talk about their customer service. Many users report that books2door has friendly and responsive customer service, which is great for resolving issues like missing books or delays. However, response times can vary depending on how busy they are, and some customers have experienced slower than expected support for more complex queries. It's not perfect, but when it works, it's reliable. Next up is packaging. When ordering from books2door, they take care to package your books well, so you don't receive any damaged goods. However, some buyers have noted that packaging can sometimes feel a bit minimal. While books usually arrive in good condition, you might see more protective packaging options from other book retailers that ensure your books stay in pristine condition, especially for hardcovers. The sixth thing you should consider is their returns and refund policy. Books2door has a reasonable return policy, but as with most online stores, you'll need to return items within a specific time frame, and the books need to be in original condition. If you're unsure about the book you're ordering, it's a good idea to double-check return terms just in case. While their returns process is fairly straightforward, it's not as hassle-free as some competitors like Waterstones, who offer in-store returns for online purchases. Finally, if you're after discounts and promotions, this is where books2door shines. They often run special sales, especially around seasonal events or popular book launches. You'll find that some of their bundles and deals are hard to beat, even compared to larger chains like WH Smith or Foyles. Just make sure to keep an eye out for these sales, as they can offer significant savings on books you might already be planning to buy. If you're ready to give books2door a try, I've got a great offer for you. Click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for books2door and unlock exclusive benefits. Trust me, you won't want to miss this opportunity to get a top-notch deal on your next book purchase.